Hi, welcome to Infobotics, the AI powered chatbot for social media performance analysis. So, this bot is designed as an intelligent assistant for understanding and optimizing your social media presence. So, I am Naman, followed by my team Anirban, Akshay, and Rahul. So, we are going to demonstrate the complete working model of our platform. So, let's start with an overview of our technology that we have used. So, for vector embeddings, we are using Datastax AstaDB, and for implementation of the RAG, the retrieval augmented generations, we are using langflow. And for to manage the completions of the chat, we are using here LLM models. So now let me explain the how everything works step by step. So we begin with the AstraDB. So here we have created metric collection to store aggregated data. For this demo, we are using some mock data, approximately around 2000 posts of various types such as carousel, reels and images. And here are the records along with their vector embeddings. Next, we move to our langflow cloud environment, where we have designed a flow to process complete user queries and generate accurate answers. Here's the flow we have created in langflow. So let's check each component individually. So the first component, the user enters a question into the input component, which send it to the prompt template, and here's the prompt being created. So on the second component, the prompt is sent to the LLM models to define and improve the questions. So for in our case, we are using the anthropic model, and this improved question is then used to query the vector storage for similar embeddings. So here's the improved question generated by the LLM model here. And on the third component, the refined question is sent to the vector store, and we retrieve embedding that have the highest similarity score using a filter. So here's the related data that fetched from the vector store. The retrieved data is then sanitized, and another prompt template is created. So this combines the user's original questions with the retrieved data as a context, and then the final prompt. So the final prompt is sent to the LLM model, which generates a well-structured response, and the response is then returned to the user. In our case, our backend services interact with the flow through an API, and the output is sent back to the backend service. So this is how the chatbox works behind the scene to deliver the accurate, meaningful response to the users. So now let's move to the main working model demo. So here's the website that we have built. Notice the chatbot icon in the bottom right corners. So let's click on it and to open the chatbot widget. So let's ask some couple of questions here. So first let's ask what's the user engagement on image post, and so here the bot responds with an relevant data. Okay, so the data of different months and the complete engagement summary is here. So next asks a questions like how much engagement did reels receive last month. So here we are pointing a last month at the time, and here's the answer from the chatbot. So here's a complete demonstrations of our applications, how it is working with our the technology that we have used. So thanks for watching the demo. Happy coding.